Hi YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. As you see in the title, today I'll be showing you how do I braid over my locks. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm called Nancy and I do live in South France. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if been a for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, if interested, let's go ahead and so guys, before I start, let me just show you how my locks looks like. As you can see, this is how my hair looks like. It's really moisturized, fresh and clean. So let me just show you the back view. I hope you can see that clearly. So that's how my hair looks like. So guys, I'll be braiding 2 or 1 braid over here to show you how I do it. Then I'll be coming back with a final result. So guys, what you need braids. Actually, I'll leave the type of the braid which I'm using in the description box below, guys. And also I'm using this Vaseline. I just applied this on my fingertips so that I don't be cut from the braids. Yeah, so you don't need that much, so I take just this amount because I need when my braids they are big and full. So I'll grab my lock, then I'll turn this around. Once I'm done, then I'll get some braids, then I add them over my locks. Make sure you don't pull your locks too hard. So guys, you keep on braiding all the way down. Make sure you braid it properly. And also all the beginners, they can do this. Actually, I'm not a professional, but yeah, I can braid my actual hair actually. So you keep on braiding. See, I've reached to the end of my locks actually, so I keep on braiding, and once I reach here where there's the tip of my locks, I make sure I put it in there so that the tips they don't pop out. So I continue braiding. Actually guys, I think the light is too much because it's night. So guys, as you can see, this is how the braids they look like when I'm done. Actually, this is where the tip of my lock ends, so I try to insert it inside so that the tips they don't pop out, as you can see. Yeah, so that's how I do it, guys. I'll be braiding my locks off from the camera, then I'll be coming back with the final results. And the only thing what I'm planning to do is I hope to carry the ends. So guys, this is my braid. See, I've reached to the end where there's the tips of my locks, so you have to be careful so that once you're braiding your hair, you make sure you close it inside so that it doesn't pop out. Yeah, you do it slowly, it's time consuming, but I hope to get the nice results at the end. You see, make sure the tips, they don't pop out. Yeah, so me just close the tips. I don't know how long it's going to take me because I have too many locks, by the way, and since some of them they are thin, so I will be combining the two to make one braid. So that's how I'm going to be doing it, guys, and I'll come back with the final results. And I'm hoping to carry the ends of the braids, but I'll do this off from the camera. So guys, see. Okay, me braiding over my locks, so I don't know what time I'll finish this, and I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I felt like having some braids for a few weeks. Ta-da-da. This is how far I have gone. So guys, this is how far I have gone actually, and this is how my hair looks like for now. Actually, I started braiding my hair at around 8 p.m. and it's almost midnight, and I've done the front way. As you can see, these are how the braids they look like. So guys, I can't wait to see how my hair will turn out when I'm done tomorrow. So guys, catch you tomorrow. So guys, this is the next day when I'm done. Actually, I braided the hair almost the whole day, and I curled my ends. So this is how my hair has turned out, guys. Looks so beautiful. Yeah, so guys, that's how it is done. I'll insert in some more pictures. So guys, this is how my hair looks like when I'm done. Yeah, I braided over my locks. Ooh la la. Braiding over locks, it's possible.